to my channel. The 2026 BMW X8 stands as one of the most ambitious SUVs ever built by BMW, blending coupe-like sportiness with full-size luxury and a commanding road presence. At first glance, the design immediately grabs attention. The front end is dominated by BMW's signature kidney grille, now more sculpted and illuminated than ever. It's flanked by sleek laser headlights that extend into the fenders, giving the X8 a futuristic and aggressive expression. The bumper lines are muscular, and the lower air intakes hint at the vehicle's performance DNA. Moving along the sides, the sloping roofline smoothly transitions into a coupe-like rear, perfectly balancing elegance with bold proportions. Massive 23-inch alloy wheels, flared arches, and a wide stance make it look like a luxury tank designed to rule both the city streets and the highway. From the back, the 2026 X8 radiates power and sophistication. Slim OLED taillights stretch across the rear, giving a sense of width and stability. The rear diffuser, quad exhaust setup, and a subtle spoiler integrated into the tailgate make it clear that this SUV isn't just about comfort, it's about performance. Even the smallest design elements, like the flush door handles and frameless windows, showcase BMW's attention to aerodynamics and aesthetics. Step inside, and the cabin feels like stepping into a private jet. BMW has redefined luxury with soft touch materials, customizable ambient lighting, and an elegant use of aluminum and carbon fiber trims. The panoramic Sky Lounge roof floods the cabin with light, enhancing the sense of space. The curved dual display setup, one for the driver's digital instrument cluster and the other for the infotainment system, feels modern and intuitive. The latest iDrive 9 system operates smoothly, responding instantly to voice, gesture, or touch commands. Everything inside feels futuristic yet user-friendly. The leather seats with integrated massagers and ventilation offer perfect comfort, while the rear passengers enjoy executive lounge seating, complete with entertainment screens and their own climate control zones. Under the hood, the 2026 BMW X8 comes with several powertrain options, including a hybrid-assisted V8 that produces over 650 horsepower. The X8M version takes that even further, turning this SUV into a true powerhouse capable of sprinting from 0 to 100 km range in just around 3.8 seconds. Despite its size, the adaptive suspension system and BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive technology make it handle like a much smaller sports car. The steering feels sharp, and the dynamic stability control ensures confidence even in high-speed cornering. The hybrid setup also improves fuel efficiency and reduces emissions, showing BMW's commitment to performance and sustainability side by side. In terms of technology and safety, the 2026 X8 leaves nothing behind. It's equipped with BMW's latest autonomous driving suite, offering semi-autonomous highway driving, adaptive cruise control, lane centering, and even automatic parking. A 360-degree camera system and augmented reality display make driving and parking effortless. The audio system, co-developed with Bowers & Wilkins, transforms the cabin into a concert hall, producing crystal-clear sound from every direction. On the road, the BMW X8 feels like a blend of luxury yacht and sports coupe. Smooth, composed, and incredibly powerful. The throttle response is instant, the ride comfort is impeccable, and the cabin remains whisper quiet even at high speeds. It's a car designed for those who want the commanding presence of an SUV with the performance and elegance of a grand tourer. Overall, the 2026 BMW X8 isn't just another addition to BMW's lineup. It's a statement of what modern automotive engineering can achieve when luxury, performance, and innovation merge seamlessly. Whether you're cruising through the city or devouring long highways, the X8 delivers a driving experience that's as emotional as it is refined. It's not just transportation. It's an experience crafted for those who refuse to compromise between power and prestige.